Highway designed 2 speed bumps, reportedly for drag racing enthusiasts. Impressive. Since these bumps are so effective, let's see if this modified pickup can pass smoothly. The pickup truck passed through easily, seemingly without much difficulty. Expected of drag racers, it's fast. We rushed in too fast to brake and crashed right into the speed bump. What a speed bump is this? Power is incredible. Simple explanation. Then 3 more cars approached the area. BMWs, due to their low clearance, hit the speed bump directly. With them came a speeding construction truck. BMWs flying but managed to pass through unscathed. Old Iraqi city cars, but still quick. Old Iraqi cars approached, 3 police cars chasing an SUV. Doing 1 fleeing all at high speed. Other angle, we see they're too fast to brake for the speed bumps. SUV with higher clearance luckily made it through. Police cars. Then, a red truck passed by with a white truck opposite. Truck loaded with wood barely made it over the bump. Truck wasn't so lucky. Hard, caught fire, and a big tire flew off. Design is bizarre. Tires, or are the bumps just too easy? A red pickup truck, moving incredibly fast. Oh no! Has him off. Couldn't brake. You lost 2 tires. Or you could stop at all. Who thinks slower cars with high clearance pass easily? Fast cars, these bumps are a total nightmare. Dust. So couldn't they just go around the speed bumps?